floodlights? Wow, that's made out of cerium. Cerium is the 58th element, unlanthanide. Cerium was discovered in 1803 by Martin Heinrich Klaproth, John Jacob Berzelius, and Wilhelm Hisinger. Cerium has 58 protons and 58 electrons with 82 neutrons with a melting point of 1071 degrees Kelvin and a boiling point of 3715 degrees Kelvin. Cerium's atomic weight is 140.116 atomic mass units with a density of 6.77 grams per centimeters cubed. Cerium was named after an celestial body of the asteroid belt, Ceres. It is an iron-gray member of the rare earth metals group, and is the most abundant of all of those elements. Its oxide, ceria, had been previously discovered, but limited technology kept the element from being isolated. 5 years after Humphrey Davy invented electrochemistry, the scientists were able to isolate cerium. Of all the rare earth metals, so named because they are less abundant than other metals but not necessarily rare in occurrence, cerium is the most abundant. Cerium makes up about 0.0046% of the weight of the Earth's crust. It occurs in at least 7 key minerals, with the highest cerium content and most readily available minerals being monazite and bastnasite. Cerium is concentrated in the soil at about 2 to 150 parts per million, and at about 1.5 parts per trillion in seawater. It is practically non-existent in the atmosphere. There are 4 naturally occurring isotopes of cerium accounting for approximately 88.5% of all cerium found on Earth. It is also the only stable isotope of cerium, with others having half-lives of over 70 trillion years or longer. Other isotopes of cerium have half-lives of less than 0.00000001 seconds, about 100 nanoseconds. Altogether, 39 cerium isotopes are known to exist. One of the key industrial uses for cerium is as a catalytic converter for automobiles to reduce carbon monoxide emissions. Cerium is fairly low in toxicity and plays no known biological role, and an average adult human has approximately 40 milligrams of cerium in his body at any time, accumulated in the bones, blood, and tissues. Stay tuned for Praseodymium.